Let's talk about AMG, a name that resonates with car enthusiasts around the world. You know, those three letters that make your heart race. AMG isn't just a badge, it's a promise of unparalleled performance and engineering excellence. They stand for something special in the car world, a blend of luxury and raw power that few can match. Raw power, utter precision. Every AMG car is a testament to what happens when passion meets engineering, and the kind of engineering that borders on the obsessive. Each component is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that every car performs at its peak. But it wasn't always this way. The journey of AMG is as fascinating as the cars they produce. AMG's story starts in the 1960s, a time when the automotive world was on the brink of a revolution. Two former Mercedes engineers, Hans Werner Aufrecht and Erhard Melcher, had a passion. They loved racing. And they loved Mercedes. They started tinkering. Their goal was simple yet ambitious, to create the ultimate performance car. They wanted to squeeze every ounce of performance from these German machines. They believed that with the right tweaks, a Mercedes could be transformed into a racing legend. Their workshop? A quiet village called Gross Aspach. It was here in this unassuming location that the magic began, hence the A and the G in AMG. Gross Aspach was more than just a place, it was the birthplace of a revolution. The M comes from Melcher's name. Their reputation grew quickly. Word spread about the incredible machines coming out of their small workshop. They weren't just mechanics, they were artists. Every car they touched became a masterpiece of engineering and performance. They transformed ordinary Mercedes into track-devouring beasts. Word got around. Soon their creations were dominating races and turning heads. Soon, petrolheads with deep pockets and a need for speed came calling. They wanted a piece of the AMG magic, and the rest, as they say, is history. From those humble beginnings, AMG grew into a powerhouse of performance engineering. AMG went from a small-town garage to a global phenomenon. Today, their name is synonymous with high-performance luxury cars. They became synonymous with performance, with luxury. Every AMG car is a blend of cutting-edge technology and timeless design, with that unmistakable growl that sends shivers down your spine. It's a sound that signifies power, precision, and passion. This wasn't just a company, it was a statement, a declaration that ordinary just wouldn't do. AMG set the standard for what a performance car should be, a declaration that ordinary just wouldn't do. And as they continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, the legend of AMG only grows stronger. What makes an AMG an AMG? Is it the sleek design, the iconic badge, or the hefty price tag that sets it apart? Sure, the looks, the badge, the price tag all play a part, but there's something more, something deeper that defines an AMG. But let's be honest, it all boils down to what's under the hood. We're talking about engines. Not just any engines, but the heart and soul of AMG. And not just any engines. These are hand-built monsters, meticulously crafted to deliver unparalleled performance. AMG has a saying, one man, one engine. This philosophy is at the core of their engineering excellence. It means that each engine is assembled from start to finish by a single master technician. No robots, no assembly lines, just pure craftsmanship. This ensures that every engine is a masterpiece, a testament to the skill and dedication of the technician. These guys are more like surgeons than mechanics. They work with precision, care, and an eye for detail that is unmatched in the industry. They treat each engine with the care and precision of a work of art. Every component is meticulously inspected, every bolt is carefully tightened, and every part is perfectly aligned. And the result? Well, let's just say these engines don't just produce horsepower, they unleash it. The roar of an AMG engine is a symphony of power and precision. We're talking about brutal acceleration. The kind of acceleration that pins you to your seat and makes your heart race. The kind that pins you to your seat and leaves you gasping for air. It's an experience that is both exhilarating and addictive. The kind that makes you question the laws of physics. How can something so powerful be so controlled, so precise? But it's not just about raw power. These engines are also incredibly sophisticated. They are the result of years of research and development, of countless hours of testing and refinement. These engines are packed with technology that optimizes performance and efficiency. From advanced fuel injection systems to state-of-the-art turbochargers, every component is designed to deliver maximum performance. They're packed with technology that optimizes performance and efficiency. This means that you get the best of both worlds, incredible power and impressive fuel economy. So yeah, you get to scare yourself silly, but you also get to do it with a reasonable amount of fuel economy. you can enjoy the thrill of driving an AMG without constantly worrying about fuel consumption. Well, reasonable for a fire-breathing monster, that is. Because at the end of the day, an AMG engine is all about delivering an unforgettable driving experience. It's about pushing the limits of what's possible and redefining what a performance car can be. Now, you don't just bolt a monstrous engine into an ordinary car. That would be a recipe for disaster. The sheer power of an AMG engine demands a vehicle that can handle it, both in terms of performance and aesthetics. That would be like dressing a lion in a tutu. It just wouldn't work. The lion's raw power and grace would be completely undermined by such an absurd outfit. AMG cars are designed with purpose. Every element of their design is meticulously crafted to serve a specific function, ensuring that the car performs at its peak while looking absolutely stunning. Every curve, every vent, every spoiler is there for a reason. These aren't just random design choices, they are the result of countless hours of engineering and testing. Take a look at an AMG model. Go on, I'll wait. Notice anything different? It's not just a car, it's a statement of power, precision, and performance. It's lower, wider, more aggressive than your standard Mercedes. This isn't just for show, it's to improve stability and handling, making the car more responsive and agile. The lines are sleek and muscular. They give the car a sense of motion, even when it's standing still. It's like a predator, ready to leap into action at any moment. It looks like it's about to pounce, even when it's standing still. This aggressive stance is not just for aesthetics, it plays a crucial role in the car's aerodynamics. But it's not just about looking good, it's about cheating the wind. Aerodynamics is a science, and AMG has mastered it to perfection. AMG engineers spend countless hours in wind tunnels, honing the car's shape. They meticulously analyze how air flows over, under, and around the vehicle. The goal is to reduce drag and increase downforce. This means the car can cut through the air more efficiently, while also being pushed down onto the road for better grip. In layman's terms, this means the car sticks to the road like glue, even at ludicrous speeds. Whether you're taking a sharp turn or accelerating on a straightaway, the car remains stable and controlled. So when you see those flared wheel arches, that aggressive front splitter, that massive rear wing, remember, it's not just for show, it's functional art, it's form following function. Each of these elements plays a critical role in the car's performance. It's all about squeezing every last drop of performance out of that beast. Every design choice, every engineering decision is made with one goal in mind: to create the ultimate driving machine. And that's what makes an AMG car truly special. Section 4. A symphony of technology innovation meets performance. Let's talk tech. Because AMG isn't just about brute force. These cars are rolling test beds for some of the most advanced automotive technology on the planet. We're talking about systems so sophisticated they'd make a NASA engineer weep with envy. Take the suspension, for example. AMG cars don't just absorb bumps in the road, they practically glide over them. They use adaptive suspension systems that adjust to the road conditions in real time. It's like having a magic carpet that can handle corners at 100 miles per hour. And then there's the gearbox. These things shift faster than you can blink. We're talking about dual clutch transmissions that swap gears with lightning speed. It's like having a telepathic connection with the car. You think, and it shifts. And don't even get me started on the brakes. These things are designed to stop a runaway train. Massive discs and calipers provide fade-free stopping power. It's reassuring to know you can rein in all that power when you need to. Section 5, Beyond Leather and Luxury, the AMG Interior Experience. Okay, so we've talked about the engine, the design, the tech. But what's it actually like to sit inside an AMG? Well, imagine strapping yourself into the cockpit of a fighter jet. Then add a healthy dose of luxury and refinement. That's the AMG experience. You're surrounded by high-quality materials. Leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber. It's a sensory overload. The seats are sculpted to hold you snugly in place during high-speed cornering. And the steering wheel? It's a work of art. Perfectly sized, perfectly weighted, and covered in the softest leather known to man. But it's not all about sportiness. AMG cars are also packed with creature comforts. You've got heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system that'll make your favorite tunes sound epic. And of course, you've got all the latest tech, like a